into it, right? Don't flip it like that. Make it flat. There we go. Think about it. Would you like to be held like that? It's not natural.
She gets scared. She's like, what?
Put her on your leg. Put her.
Seeing all those legs, she's like,
You put her down. Put her on you.
Sorry.
no, you're okay. I just want to make sure she doesn't fall.
Y luego la...
Sit and wait your turn.
Don't push on that. All right, 2 hands like a
Es
hamburger.
traviesa.
Logan, don't flip her up. No, 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 no.
Es que no está ya.
Está durmiendo. Ahorita tocamos otro, mi rey. Thank you. Ven.
If you ask them, they'll let you hold a tarantula.
Sí. Salta. Ven.
Sí, vamos a hacer la cola para la punta y también
Bicho. Culebra. Anda por allá.
Come on, fica na fila.
Tired. She's like, what is going on? You want to hold her? Yeah, hold her like a hamburger.
Flip your hand. Flip your hand over. Like a hamburger. Your thumbs like this.
Hold tight.
Look at you.
Put your palms on her. You're not spicy. There you go. There you go.
Look at mommy.
Mouth. You want to pat her? She won't bite. She won't bite you. Look, watch, I'll show you. She loves you. It's okay. Have fun, sweet girl. Bye, friends. You've been waiting so patiently, and I'm obsessed with your dress. Do you want to hold her? Okay, sit crisscross applesauce.
She wants to hide under your legs.